Hi class, welcome to part 3 of this assignment. So now that you've identified what plan that you're going to complete and you've looked at your courses on the transcript and let me know what classes that you have completed, which ones in progress, which ones are still needed. You want to make sure that you have this ed plan out and put it aside. Next, what we're going to do is we are going to identify the major preparation classes that you'll need in order to transfer. So what we want to do is go to the Assist website, and what we want to do is just have you put in the institution, which is Santiago Canyon College, and the university that you will be transferring to. For this example, we're going to use University of California, Irvine. Once you have the UCI in the institution, you want to click on View Agreements. For this particular student, they want to look at transferring as a criminology, law, and society major. So you want to just click on the major that you want to view, and then you're going to view agreements. When looking at the articulation agreement by the major, you're going to see UCI's information on the left, and then SCC's information on the right there. Let me make this a little bit bigger. So for this articulation agreement, for this student, they need to take Criminal Justice 101 before they transfer. So let me just highlight that, Criminal Justice 101. They have a choice between Biology 200 or Bio 259. And then when you scroll down, they also need to do Psychology 100. In addition to, they get a choice between Psych 240 or Psych 250, and then they have to do Psych 220 and then Math 219. So those are their major classes that they would have to take prior to transferring to UCI. So now that that class is identified, those classes are identified, I want you to then go onto Canvas and download this worksheet. So it is our Student Education Plan worksheet, and I want you to fill it out with your name, student ID number. For this particular student, they're doing criminology, and they're going to UC Irvine there. Okay, or they could put UC or UCI. And the plan that this person chose is Plan C. Okay, and so we talked about the list of classes from assist.org as a major prep, and I want you to list those here. Okay, for this particular person, they have to do Criminal Justice 101 under the major preparation coursework. They chose Bio 259, Psychology 250, Psych 220, and then Math 219. And then you want to let me know if you completed the courses already, that's if it's in progress, or if you still need these courses. Okay. Next, I want you to then decide when will you be taking these courses that are left. Okay. So remember, when you're looking at Plan C, those classes that you still need to take, you want to identify when you're going to take that class. So in fall, I want you to put in your fall semester, the classes that are in progress right now, then what classes you're taking in spring 2024. So for this student, they were still missing a class under the humanities, so they picked ASL 111, and then Criminal Justice is one of the classes that they need for their major, so then they're going to do Criminal Justice 101, Earth Science 100, Math 219, the Bio 259, they're going to do fall 2024, Psychology 250, Psych 220, and then these two classes, Psych 240 and Kinesiology 119, the reason why the student is choosing to do these two classes is because they're short units. So based on the students' transcripts, they're missing 4 units after completing their general ed classes, and they're doing their major preparation coursework. So for that, I do want you to go ahead and put those classes under electives. Okay, so if you do have to do elective courses, you want to put them here. And I want to know what classes are electives and what classes are major preparation coursework, right? And that will give the student the 4 units they need to have 60 units. Okay, so in order for students to transfer out, they must typically apply a year in advance. So if this student is done fall 2024 with all their classes, they will then apply fall of 2024 for fall of 2025 admission. So the student has a free semester, meaning they don't really need to take any classes during the spring. They can, if they want to do more electives, but the university typically will only transfer up to 70 units. They will take only 70 units. And so in the spring, typically students will work, maybe save some money for books, and you know, that's what I advise students to do typically, is just to work. And so this is what the worksheet looks like, and this is what I'm needing you to complete. If you already have an ed plan that's done by a counselor, you can definitely turn that in for full credit because the counselor did that for you. However, in order to get full credit for this assignment, I do need you to make sure that you not only upload the plan that you're using, that's all filled out. So this is the first thing that you need to upload is plan, which plan, A, B, or C. Okay, and make sure it's all filled out. So this is one, okay, this is one upload, which plan. And then the second upload is going to be this worksheet. Okay, and it needs to be filled out in order for you to get full credit for it. I just want to know if you understand, you know, what your major preparation courses are, what your electives are, and I want to see you think about what future classes that you have to take. And in the original part 1 video, I mentioned to you that your ed plan really is just a list of courses that you need to complete in order to fulfill your educational goal. So here are the list of classes that you have based on the semester that you are planning to take them. Okay. Also, for students who are doing Plan A, the major preparation coursework is going to be found in the catalog. Same thing with students who are doing the certificate. And if you have a hard time finding it, please email me and let me know. I'd be happy to email you your major preparation coursework. This assignment is a bit challenging because there's a lot of parts to it. But this is one of the things that when you attend college, you want to know the classes that you're taking and why you're taking it and how long you're going to be here, so that you have a better vision of your goals and when you're going to be done. So this is the part 3. I look forward to looking through your ed plan, and of course, if you have any questions at all, please, you can schedule an appointment with me I can review the ed plan and go over it with you individually, or you can email me and I'll be happy to answer any questions that you have. Okay, take care guys. Bye.